22 Uses of Silver. Welcome back to Penny Investors, the place where future millionaires come to get inspired. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you. We're about to embark on a gleaming journey into the world of silver, one of the most versatile and precious metals known to humanity. You might think of silver as just shiny jewelry or coins, but oh, it's so much more than that. If you enjoy our videos, please do not hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on new videos we post. In today's video, we're going to unveil the hidden superpowers of silver as we explore not one, not five, but a stunning 22 remarkable uses of this remarkable metal. From its historic role as currency to its cutting-edge applications in the world of technology, medicine, and beyond, you're in for a silver-infused adventure that will leave you in awe of its versatility. So without any further delays, let's jump into 22 uses of silver. Use number 1. Money. Historically, silver has been used as a form of currency, and it is still used in some countries for minting coins. Silver's value remained relatively stable over time, contributing to its reputation as a reliable store of wealth. This stability was especially crucial in times when paper money and fiat currencies were not as common, as people could trust in the intrinsic value of the metal itself. Use number 2. Silverware. Silver has been a preferred choice for crafting cutlery, flatware, and decorative items for centuries, primarily because of its unparalleled aesthetic appeal. Its brilliant, lustrous surface, often adorned with intricate designs, adds an air of elegance and sophistication to dining experiences and interior decor. Use number 3. Photography. The connection between silver and photography is a testament to the chemical magic that underlies this art form. In traditional photography, silver halide compounds, such as silver bromide or silver chloride, play a crucial role. These compounds are light-sensitive, meaning they react to light exposure by undergoing a chemical change. When exposed to light, the silver halide crystals in photographic film or paper are reduced to metallic silver atoms. Use number 4. Electrical contacts. Silver's high electrical conductivity makes it ideal for electrical contacts and connectors in switches, relays, and various electronic components. Silver's low electrical resistance means that it allows electric current to flow with minimal hindrance. This characteristic is crucial in applications where maintaining a consistent and reliable electrical connection is paramount. Use number 5. Batteries. Silver oxide batteries are used in applications like watches, hearing aids, and medical devices due to their long-lasting power and stability. One of the advantages of silver oxide batteries is their compact and cylindrical design, often resembling small coins. This compactness allows them to fit easily into devices with limited space, such as watches, hearing aids, and medical devices. Use number 6. Mirrors. Silver is used as a reflective coating on mirrors, as it reflects light effectively while maintaining a smooth surface. Silver-coated mirrors are used in a wide range of applications, from household mirrors to large-scale installations in architecture and interior design. The versatility of silver-coated mirrors allows for a variety of shapes and sizes to suit different needs and design preferences. Use number 7. Catalysts. Silver catalysts are used in various chemical reactions, including the production of formaldehyde and in catalytic converters to reduce emissions in automobiles. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed in the process. Silver's ability to act as a catalyst is due to its unique surface properties and the way it interacts with reactant molecules. Use number 8. Water purification. Silver ions have antibacterial properties, making silver-based compounds and coatings valuable in water purification systems and antibacterial filters. Use number 9. Medical applications. Silver is used in wound dressings, creams, and medical instruments due to its antimicrobial properties, which can help prevent infections. Use number 10. Solar panels. Silver paste is applied to solar cells to create electrical connections because of its conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Within a solar panel, there are numerous individual solar cells made from semiconducting materials like silicon. These cells are responsible for capturing sunlight and generating electrical energy. To harness the electricity generated by these cells, electrical connections are required. Silver paste, a specialized ink or paste containing silver particles, is used to create these electrical connections. The reason for choosing silver as the primary material for this purpose is twofold: high electrical conductivity and resistance to corrosion. Use number 11. Soldering. Silver-containing alloys are used in soldering and brazing applications, especially in the electronics industry. Soldering and brazing are metal joining processes used extensively in the manufacturing of electronic components and devices. These processes involve melting a filler material, known as solder, to form a joint between two or more metal parts. Silver-containing alloys are favored choices for these applications due to their unique properties. Use number 12. Antiques and collectibles. Antique silver items are highly collectible and can hold significant value for their craftsmanship and historical significance. Use number 13. Dental work. Silver amalgam fillings have been used in dentistry for their durability and cost-effectiveness, although they are less common today due to aesthetic concerns. Use number 14. Circuit boards. Silver is used in the fabrication of printed circuit boards, PCBs, for its electrical conductivity and resistance to oxidation. Use number 15. Fashion. Silver is used in fashion accessories, such as belts, buckles, and buttons, due to its aesthetic appeal and malleability. Use number 16. Radar and microwave technology. Silver is used in the production of antennas and waveguides for radar and microwave technology. These components are crucial for transmitting and receiving electromagnetic waves in the microwave frequency range, which includes radar systems used in aviation, weather monitoring, defense applications, and more. Use number 17. Reflective clothing. Silver-coated fabrics are used in high-visibility clothing for safety purposes. Reflective clothing is designed with the primary goal of enhancing the visibility of individuals, particularly in low light or nighttime conditions. These garments are crucial for the safety of workers, cyclists, pedestrians, and anyone else who needs to be visible to others in potentially hazardous environments. Use number 18. Art. Silver leaf and silver-based pigments are used in art and painting. Silver leaf is a delicate and thin sheet of silver that is used in various artistic and decorative applications, including painting. It is created by hammering silver into incredibly thin sheets, often thinner than a human hair. These sheets are then applied to various surfaces to create stunning visual effects. Use number 19. Glass coatings. Silver coatings are applied to glass to create energy-efficient windows that reflect heat and UV radiation. Energy-efficient windows are a crucial element in modern building design, helping to reduce energy consumption for heating, cooling, and lighting in homes and commercial buildings. Silver coatings play a significant role in enhancing the energy efficiency of these windows. Use number 20. Aerospace. Silver is used in aerospace applications for its conductivity and resistance to corrosion, often in components like connectors and thermal control systems. Use number 21. Nanotechnology. Silver nanoparticles have unique properties and find applications in nanotechnology, including inks, sensors, and medical devices. Use number 22. Jewelry. Silver is commonly used to make jewelry due to its lustrous appearance and affordability compared to other precious metals like gold or platinum. And there you have it, the incredible world of silver and its 22 astonishing uses. I hope you enjoyed this illuminating journey as much as I did. If you enjoy our videos, please do not hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on new videos we post.